Hello, dear children. How are you? Yes, I know you are too excited. Okay, dear. Today onward, we'll solve our worksheet, poem Flying Kite, and chapter 5, that is Flags of the World. Okay, so let us read the poem and try to solve its question and answer. Okay, so here, repeat after me. I often sit and wish that I could be a kite up in the sky and ride upon the breeze and go whichever way I chanced to blow. Then I could look beyond the town and see the river winding down. So I had already explained the poem, but let me tell you a little bit of brief information, you can say, or brief summary of this stanza. So the narrator, a young boy like you, he often means prize, most of the time, okay, he often sit and wish that he could be a kite up in the sky. Okay, that kite up in the sky, मतलब आसमान का काइट बनना चाहता था, right? And he would ride upon the breeze and go whichever way. Breeze upon means, that means wherever it will blow, the wind, so the breeze, that means soft wind, you can say. Breeze, whichever way it will blow, it will go according to that. And I chance to blow, okay, it will get chance to blow in that way, that will move that way. Then I could look beyond the town, and when it will go over the sky, okay, over the town and everything, okay, he would able to see everything that is beyond the town. Beyond the town mean जो टाउन में वो रहता था उस टाउन के बाहर की चीज़ वो देख सकता था, right? And see the river winding down, and when he will see the river, he will come like this, winding down, जैसे कि हवा की तौर से वो नीचे आ जाएगा, right? So this is all about your poem. We had already found, right, rhyming words also, right? Like for example, I, sky, it is quite similar sound, right? I, sky, go, blow, town, down. So these are your rhyming words that we have already discussed, right? Fine, because you will get question from this also. That is why I have rectified, right? So what was the poet's wish? The poet's dream, I have written dream, you can write wish. Okay, the poet's wish is to become a kite up in the sky. If you are writing to become a kite, then it's okay. If you are adding some more, that up in the sky, then very good. You can write dream or wish, anything. Okay. Now, shall we move to next question? Yes. What was winding? Here we are not talking about the river was winding. Okay, you may get confused, but here we are talking about the kite. When the kite sees the river, it is winding down. Okay, the kite is winding down. Here I have written the kite, because it has been asked in past tense. Okay, so that I had written was here, right? The kite was winding, okay, seeing the river. I have written in the bracket so that you can understand why the kite was winding down. Winding means moving down, right? In explanation I had said the meaning also. Listen properly, whatever I had explained or I will explain, right? It will helpful for you. Each word will helpful for you to understand the language. Okay, so next question. Where could be the kite fly? The kite could fly where it's chance to blow. Okay, means उसको हवा जहाँ जहाँ पे लेते जाएगा, जिस ओर लेता जाएगा वो उस ओर जाएगा. Okay, especially I have rectified this answer beyond the town, because he had rectified it strongly. It said that he could fly beyond the town. So let us read the answer again. Fine. The kite could fly where it chanced to blow. That means beyond the town. Okay. Fine. No doubt. Okay. Let us move to next. Write the rhyming words of these words from the passage. Rhyming word that we have already rectified. Okay. I, sky. Town, down. Fine. Don't write anything, okay, except these words, because it has given in your poem. Fine. Now write the opposite of this word. Rare, opposite is often. Fine. Rare means बहुत ही कम, नहीं के बराबर, right? Often means sometime. Come opposite is go. See, these words I have found from your scene passage, right? Here, often and go. So whatever question would ask, okay, in scene passage or unseen passage, all the answers you will get from itself. No need to think more. So when you don't understand anything, just do one thing. You read again and again. Okay, read 2 times, 3 times or 4 times, and you will really come to know actual answer. You will understand better. Okay, fine. This is all about page number 37. But in your term you can count as 1. It's okay. Fine. Next question given in page number 38. It's about a writing portion. Right? Write a paragraph about your dream. Dear children, I don't know what is your dream to become. Okay, fine. So you write about your dream. That means what you become in your life. We are not talking about that you are want to become a doctor, engineer and all. No, you will not write about that. You'll write about that actually what you dream someday, जो कभी तुमने सपने में देखा होगा. Fine. For example, yesterday night I saw in my dream that I had gone somewhere. I don't remember the place, but I had gone somewhere. There were so many food items were there, and many people had been invited in that party. But in that party, I was searching for my parents, right? I was searching for my parents, and that time I could not find my parents, and I started worried about them. So something it's gone in my dream, right? So what you actually dream today's night or yesterday or some other days, about that dream you will write. Fine. Okay, understand? You write. Let me know what exciting dream you will get after that. Do share with me. Okay, so quickly move to page number 39. Fine. So this is chapter number 5, flags of the world, right? Scene passage 1 that we are going to solve. But before that, let us read it. Okay? All cultures use symbols which have importance to them. Dear children, just read with me. Okay? Shall we move forward? Yes. Some of the symbols are even universal. That is, they have the same meaning all over the world. The sun stands for unity and energy. The sun stands for unity and energy. Okay, let me explain also. If you don't understand, then you will do mistake, right? So all cultures uses symbol which have importance to them. See, every cultures have their symbols, and it is really important for them, right? Some of the symbols even universal, and some symbols are universal. Universal mean सबके लिए एक ही symbol हो, right? For example, UNICEF symbol, right? WHO's, these symbols are and one more, your Olympic, and all these symbols are universal for everybody, right? For same meaning. The sun stands for unity, and the sun stands for unity and energy. So did you know that Japan is known as the land of the rising sun? So which country known as the land of rising sun? The country Japan. Japan is known as the land of rising sun. Okay. The sun symbol is used in its national flag, and that is why they use the sun flag in their national flag. The moon is another symbol that is found in flags. Okay, and moon, that is another symbol that we can find in flags. The moon is usually shown in a crescent shape. Okay, together with a star. The moon represent divinity. Okay, the picture given in your book you can check. Okay, I think it's like that, circle, then half moon. In the circle there would be a star, right? And the moon, it's represent divinity. Fine. Let us do question answer. Which is the symbol of unity? Yes, the sun stands for unity. Here written, the sun stands for unity. Now second one, what is the symbol of divinity? Yes, this is, we read just now. Together, what together? Together of star and moon represent divinity. The same answer I have written. I got answer from the passage itself, right? Together with a star, the moon symbol represents divinity. Okay, divinity means, you know, that is related to God, divine God, right? And what is special thing about the moon symbol, right? Yeah, we can get answer from this passage, right? Moon is another symbol that is found in flag, and moon is usually shown in a crescent shape. This is the specialty of moon symbol. So I have written answer for you. The special things about the moon is in a crescent shape. Got the answer? Now move to these words. Write the two plurals from the passage. I have collected these plurals from the passage, right? Symbols and cultures. If you found some different, you can write those. Okay, write the opposite of the following words from the passage. Now we will find out opposite words of these given words. Different opposite is same. Okay, diversity opposite is unity. Fine. Unity opposite diversity, diversity opposite unity. Same opposite different, and different opposite same. Okay. See, unity means ekta, diversity means anekta, right? Anekta, I think, in Hindi. Fine. We got the answer. So today we did we solved poem, right? Flying kite and flags of the world. First, scene passages. So 2 scene passages we have solved. You write down very neatly in your worksheet, right? Because you will get mark in it. How you are solving, how you are writing, how you are maintaining all these things, we will give you mark accordingly. So do complete your work on time and complete it correctly. Okay? Next we will solve in another class. Bye children.